All right, what's up, guys? I'm Donald Firestarter Brakes. Let's go. Big hit energy. Yeah, baby, rocking that iPhone. You know what it is. I'm going to go ahead and drop a link to the live stream inside the comments where the brake was filled. All right, there we go. Link's been dropped. Let me get some Tagarooskies down. All right, here we go. Tag them if you got them. Tags are a-dropping. Yeah, it takes a lot longer to tag when I use the keyboard here. Get her done, though. Tags are a-dropping. All right, I believe I've got everybody here. Let me just triple check, make sure I didn't miss anybody on the Tagaronsky. All right, looks like we got everybody tagged up. We got a little bit of everything posted right now, guys. I think I have 4 breaks up, maybe 5 up right now. We got 1 basketball, 2021-22 Optic retail mixer, and we got up baseball, 2 boxes of Prism Hobby, PYT. We got up 2021 Select Football, half case. That one could fill easily tonight. I'm going to do a let's fill this after this for a price drop on remaining teams. I think we're down to like 10 teams on that one. Then we got up 2022 Score, 2 Hobby Box PYT, and then I just put up 2021 Contenders Football Hobby PYT. So a little bit of everything tonight. Like to keep it different. No sounds. What you talking about? You guys can't hear me? Keeps going in and out. Well, it shouldn't. Okay, you can hear me good. All right. I think it might be on your end, Mike. The feed keeps cutting out. I see why. I had my Wi-Fi shut off because I was at my son's football game, and they had this crappy Wi-Fi there that my phone kept trying to connect to. So I was using the Verizon network, and it is not good for streaming. Shut up. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the Verizon network, not good for doing live streams like this. Definitely got to stick to the Comcast. All right, now we're good. Well, thanks for telling me that before we got started. All right, here we go. What is up, guys? I am Donald, Firestarter Breaks, coming to you live from the Firestarter studio here in the Pacific Northwest. We are kicking it live on a Sunday night. Let's go, baby. We got 2 boxes of 2022 Elements football. Pick your teams, break number 1081. Thank you for the fill, everybody. Best of luck. These are the last 2 boxes I have on hand of this stuff. Probably not going to get any more, but we shall see. Here's your team list. We got Aaron S. with the Bears, Eric S. with the Bengals, Bills Mafia with the Bills, Peter O. with the Broncos, Jason P. with the Browns, Eddie C. with the Bucks, Peter O. with the Cardinals, Ryan M. with the Chargers, Matt A. with the Chiefs, Peter O. with the Colts, Justin S. with the Cowboys, Kelly S. with the Finns, Chewy R. with the Eagles, Ryan M. with the Falcons, Mike C. with the Giants, Eric S. with the Jags, Chewy with the Jets and the Lions, Kyle B. with the Packers, Chris B. with the Panthers, Ryan M. with the Patriots, Eddie C. with the Raiders, Peter O. with the Rams, Nathan A. with the Ravens, Robert W. with the Saints, Peter O. with the Seahawks, Bobby F. with the Steelers, Kelly S. with the Texans, Sean J. with the Titans, Chris B. with the Vikes, Jason S. with Washington, and Billy J. with the Niners. Let's go, baby. All right, let me get on my patented Titans mitts, the man with the black gloves, hot hands, and fire pulls. Got lots of stuff posted tonight, guys. We sure as heck could fill a couple more. I'm going to get active doing minis and price drops and some remaining teams for Select. See if we can get that filled. Next up for Select, we're going to do a full case of blasters. I had a lot of guys asking for it, so we're just going to do it, see if we can fill it. Retail, Select, full case of blasters. As soon as we fill that half case, that's up now. I got a full case sitting here. It's not sealed, but it is a full case. I picked it up at the card show this weekend from one of my distributors, so... All right, here we go. Ready to rumble. Elements football. We're still looking for that big hit out of Elements. We've gotten some nice cards, but we haven't gotten that big monster yet. Here's your bounty list for this break, guys. We're looking for anything numbered to 10 or less. We'll get you $5 break credit, as well as these ultra rare short prints. We're looking for the Earth, Wind, Fire, and Water inserts. That is all SSP, and that will get you $5 break credit. And I think that's it. Yep, those are the short prints. So, all right. And the one-of-one bounty, of course, is $10 break credit. Let's get it rocking. Like I said, I picked up some 2021 hobby stuff this weekend. I posted contenders tonight. And I've got some Optic H2. I've got Certified. I got Black. And so we're going to try some different 2021 stuff. I also have some 2020 that I'm going to be posting. I got some more Mosaic Cello. I got more 2020 certified, so a little mix of everything coming up over the next week or two, plus the new releases that are coming out for football. All right, here we go, guys. Best of luck, everybody. Select blasters. Select football blasters. Stuff has been incredible. Oh, we got a redemption on the bottom, don't we? Yes, we do. I almost showed that bad boy, too. All right, here we go. Got some Bubba base coming up. First base card here. Mr. Kamara going to the Saints. That is Tunzen. This one is numbered to 74. 74 of 74. Let me get some 79 points for these. Yes, these cards are metal. If you guys haven't gotten your packages yet. Next. All right, CD Lamb. Americium. There we go. That is numbered to 95 on the base. Going to the boys. Who's got the Saints, by the way, for the Kamara? Let's see here. That is going to be Robert W. And then we got the CeeDee Lamb going to the Cowboys. That is Justin S. Yes, football day today. My Seahawks got the win. The boys fell short today. It was a very close game. Look at that. Triple to 75. Team Chemistry. Eckler, Spiller, and Herbie. on the triple relic. Bolts with the hit. Ryan M, nice one. Gonna have to go 120 point maybe. There we go, 120 point took it just fine. All right, nice hit, Chargers. And next up, woo, Garrett Wilson, rookie neon signs going to the Jets. Let's freaking go, Chewy. Nice hit, my friend. And this one is numbered to 15. Boom, boom. That's a banger, baby. Garrett Wilson on the rookie neon signs. Sick hit, brother. 8 of 15. Let's go. These are on card 2, of course. Nice hit. And we got one more here, guys. We got a redemption. Here we go, friends. Best of luck, everybody. Come on, baby. Let's get a banger. Come on, baby. Banger rank. Sunday night special. Come on. Okay. Card set. Heavy metal. Card number 2. Charles Haley. So heavy metal. I haven't seen this set before. Not too shabby. All right, well, there you go. Old school, baby. Cowboys with the hit. Justin S., there you go. That was a great first box. Is Haley Hall of Fame? He is Hall of Fame, right? He won 5 Super Bowls, right? With the Niners and Cowboys. Yeah, but he's a Cowboy Hall of Famer. Yeah, that's a great hit, man. Congrats. Heavy metal, though. I haven't seen that set yet. Look at that. We got another patch auto, I believe, in here. 2 in a row. Not guaranteed. Zach Wilson, second year. On the base, it's to 199. That's a heavy metal. That's a heavy card. That's heavier than the other base we've hit. Jets with the hit, Chewy. All right, next base. Coming at you, Jamar Chase with the Tungsten. Number to 74. Bengals. Eric S. with the hit on the Jay Chase second year. Here we go, next hit. All right, numbered to 50. Jameson. Chunky, 2-color patch. Supercharged. Going to the Lions, Chewy with another hit. Nice patch. Jameson Williams. That's a great patch. Okay, we got 2 more cards. Rookie neon signs, David Bell for the Browns. Number to 50, going to Jason P. Great hit. So we get 2 rookie neon signs, 1 in each box. Very nice. We got 1 more card left, guys. Great hit, Jason. Boom, baby. Oh, yeah, the digits on that is 24 of 50. Okay, here we go. Last card mojo. Okay, here we go. Amon-Ra St. Brown, 71 of 75. On-card auto, Metal Moments. There you go. Nice time to hit his stuff. Chewy. Cleaning house on this break. Second year, Amon-Ra. Nice hit, man. I like that. And that is it for our break, everybody. Congratulations to our hitters. Got some great hits in this break. Very nice. Very nice boxes. All right, here we go, guys. Hit recap coming at you. I know, I wish there was more cards in these, but that's just the way it goes, man. 5 in each box. But the cards are really nice here. We got the CeeDee Lamb on the Americium base to 95 going to the Cowboys. Jamar Chase on the Tungsten. I know I'm not saying that right. 2 of 74 going to the Bengals. We got Zach Wilson on the base to 199. Another Tungsten to 74. Kamara for the Saints. And we got the triple relic. Team Chemistry, Isaiah Spiller, rookie. And then Justin Herbert, Austin Eckler. Very nice. This one is numbered to 75, 11 of 75 on the trips. Very nice. Chargers. Jameson Williams, nice rookie patch, supercharged. Chunky. 35 of 54. Interesting. 35 of 54. There you go. Lions. And we got the Charles Haley heavy metal redemption. Gotta go to the... Whoa! Gave the camera a little spin there. The iPhone is not as secure as my other one. Nice hit for the Cowboys on the redemption. I do redemptions for members, so if you want me to redeem that for you, just let me know. And all right, we got Amon-Ra St. Brown Metal Moments. This is, there we go. What's the darn number? There we go. 71 of 75. They're hard to see, man. It's really dark. On-card auto there, going to the Lions. Rookie neon signs out of box number 2. David Bell to the Browns. Very nice. On card to 50. And then the Garrett Wilson to 15. Rookie neon signs Jets. Chewy. Another one. Nice hit, man. Great young player. 8 of 15. That's a banger. And that'll do it for our 2-box Elements break, guys. Thank you so much for jumping in, getting this one over the hump. Let's get that score filled. Let's get that contenders filled, man. I'm going to do a price drop on remaining teams on the select half case of blasters. So be ready for that. I'm going to drop the price about 15 to 20% per team. So it's going to be a nice drop. I want to get that ripped. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next break. And remember, as always, keep it hot.